Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 24th January 2026. US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent indicated potential removal of 25% extra tariff on India if its Russian oil purchases continue to decline, calling the outcome a huge success. This comes as the US Congress debates a bill that could impose a 500% duty on countries buying Russian oil, while India maintains its focus on securing affordable energy for its citizens. Payments infrastructure provider Juspay has secured $50 million in a Series D follow-on investment from WestBridge Capital, valuing the company at $1.2 billion as it looks to expand its global footprint. The transaction comprises both primary and secondary investments, providing liquidity to early investors and employees holding stock options, the Bengaluru-based company said in a statement. This marks the second such liquidity event Juspay has enabled in the past year. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, or SEBI, has notified the SEBI issue and listing of non-convertible securities amendment regulations 2026. A key change under the amendment is the formal definition of a retail individual investor. SEBI has defined a retail individual investor as an individual who applies or bids for debt securities up to Rs 2 lakh. This definition aligns the NCS framework with existing market practices and provides regulatory certainty for issuers and intermediaries. SEBI has clarified that any incentive offered under the amended regulations shall be available only to the initial allottee of the securities. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, or BPCL, will purchase 12 million barrels of crude oil from Brazil's Petrobras in the fiscal year 2027 for $780 million. The volume is twice the size of BPCL's financial year 2026 contract. This reflects a deliberate move by the state-run refiner to partially replace Russian oil amid shifting global trade flows. PwC India launched an AI framework at Davos, saying artificial intelligence could add $550 billion to India's economy by 2035. The plan focuses on agriculture, education, energy, healthcare, and manufacturing to drive inclusive growth. Leaders said strong governance, skills, and infrastructure are key to making AI people-centric. United Breweries is launching a major cost-saving program. The company anticipates saving between 3 and 6% annually. This initiative aims to improve profit margins in India's challenging beer market. Savings will fund brand building and growth. The program involves operational restructuring and focused teams. United Breweries sees strong long-term potential in India. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.